less than 7.1, dividing decimals by 10, 100, and 1,000. Now this is really similar to what we've done before, so let's look at this. When I have 213.4 times 100, all I need to do is look at there are 2 zeros here, so I move the decimal to the right 2 spaces, and I get rid of this one. So if you look at it, my product now is bigger because I multiplied by 100. Well, here's the key. Division is just the opposite. So if I take the same numbers, 213.4 divided by 100, again I have 2 zeros here. So instead of moving it to the right, now I'm going to move it to the left. So go 1 space, 2 space, and my number now becomes 2.134. So my quotient is smaller. So with multiplication, I move it to the right and my number gets bigger. And in division, I move it to the left, which means my quotient gets smaller. Here's kind of the whole key trick thing to it. The number of zeros that you're dividing by will equal the number of spaces you move your decimal point to the left. So right here, because there were 2 zeros in my divisor, I move my decimal point 2 spaces to the left. Let's look at some practice. 42.7 divided by 10. If I think back to it, I'm moving it to the left the number of zeros in my divisor. How many zeros are in my divisor? 1. So I'm going to move it over 1 space right to here, which gives me an answer of 4.27. Now this next question is similar to what you saw in the test that tricked a lot of people. 352.98 divided by 10 to the third power. That's not 10 times 3. 10 to the third power is 10 multiplied by itself 3 times, or a 1 with 3 zeros in it. Either way. So 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. So 1,000 has 3 zeros in it, so I move it over 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3, and I get an answer excuse me, of 0.35298. And this is all you have to do. That middle part is really the key. If you have any questions, please let me know. See you tomorrow.